First, please remove all tape from the unit. Then open the bucket and remove the casters. Insert the casters into the unit and keep the ring around it flush with the bottom of the dehumidifier. Remove the plastic from the cord and plug the unit into a 15 amp 115 volt grounded receptacle. Turn the dehumidifier on and off by pressing the power button. When first operating the dehumidifier, run it in continuous mode for 24 hours. With these simple steps to install and maintain your unit, you should get many years of service from your TCL dehumidifier. Thank you for purchasing a TCL dehumidifier. And welcome to the TCL family.